All right, get her done, guys. Just doing some electrical work here on all my outlets. And I got my handy dandy DeWalt portable trouble light or floodlight. Absolutely phenomenal, insanely bright. It's blindingly bright. It has 3 levels of brightness. We're on the highest level right now. That's the secondary level, tertiary level, and off. Okay, this will work with your 12 volt or 20 volt lithium ion battery packs. Super bright LED in there. Nice screen, nice window. It's got massive interior heat sinks. You can see those heat sinks in there. They're huge to help dissipate the heat, keep your battery pack running cool, because these lithium batteries, they don't like hot and they don't like cold. Absolutely phenomenal, super high quality, very durable. It's got a nice carrying handle here that you can use. Tripod mountable, so you can see we got the 2 tripod mounts there. And this handle also doubles as a foot or a stand, as you can see. So you can angle this light in a lot of different ways. Here we've got, our standard, I think this is a 4 amp hour DeWalt battery in here, but you can put 6 or 8 amp hour batteries in there, or even the real small ones, the real thin, super ultra skinny ones. And you can see that's at 2 bars. I've been using this for probably 5 hours now, straight up 5 hours. And it's only used 1 bar on this battery pack, okay? So, forget about your trouble and your floodlights where you have to roll extension cords around and everything like that. This is absolutely number one. You can't go wrong. You just can't. It's 100% worth the money. You'll have this thing for life. You just can't go wrong. The other thing that's great, is you have emergency situations, storms. You're out in the garage working under your car. You're under your car. This thing's going to provide you with all the light that you need, and you can easily put that light into a direction where you need it to be. Battery life obviously is absolutely outstanding. And I should have bought this 20 years ago. I really, I should have bought one of these 20 years ago.